Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question is very simple. The universe was created from nothing. Nothing is also defined as quantum fluctuations. And actually those quantum fluctuations is a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. And from those changes of energy, virtual particles can be created. And from that virtual particles, real particles can be created, and from the real particles, a matter can be created, and that matter is actually our universe. So that is the answer to the question how the universe was created. The answer to the second question, who created nothing, is also very simple, that nothing was never created, but it always existed. Okay, so we can summarize and say that the universe was created from nothing or from quantum fluctuations, and those nothing or quantum fluctuations were never created because they always existed. Okay, thank you very much.